Now we have baked our sponge, and this is our chocolate sponge. Now we have baked it, and now we are going to do the icing on this chocolate sponge. Now we will make a chocolate cake with it, and we are going to slice it now. Okay, so let's slice it. Now we have cut down this our sponge into 3 slices. You can see over here, right? And now we are going to prepare our icing. Now for icing we actually require, this is chocolate truffle over here. As you can see that this is basically a dark chocolate and half of the quantity of the fresh cream. Which means if you are taking about 500 gram of chocolate, you need to add 250 ml of fresh cream in it. Okay, and that should be, you need to heat together, or either you need to grate chocolate first and then pour the hot fresh cream over it and mix it. Then this truffle will be made, right? And this, after this, we will going to use this chocolate truffle. Now a cream over it. Now we are going to use cream over it. And now we will mix it. We need to take care that we should not mix this chocolate and cream very vigorously. We need to blend it actually softly. Otherwise your cream become curdle. So very nicely we need to mix this chocolate and cream together. You can see over here. Temperature is also very important. If the area of the temperature is little warm, your cream is going to curdle. Then in that case you need to put ice water either, or ice cubes in the bottom of this pan. Now this is, as you can see, our icing. This is chocolate cream we have just made with our chocolate truffle, right? Now we are going to moist our sponge with the sugar syrup, or you can do one thing, that you can make a coffee syrup with it and moisture your sponge with it, right? With the coffee flavor, if you want to give it or you like it. I have used a simple sugar syrup. Now I'm going to use now whipping cream over it, or chocolate icing, right?
And nicely.
Now second layer, same thing. Again our icing. Okay. And now the final sponge over it. Again, soak our sponge. Now we will do the icing on our cake. Right, we have done the icing, little glaze on the top. This is, now we will add a little bit of garnish from the side and then we will finish from the top. Now we will right, and now we will make some chocolate garnish with